Hello everyone, welcome to Code with Kanna. Now in this video I will explain what Python comments are. Okay, so Python comments. So here Python comments are like notes that explains your code and its purpose. And the comments are not executed when you run your Python program. And the Python comments make the code easier to understand for people reading it. And in Python there are two types of comments are there. So here the first one is single line comment, single line comments, and next the second one is multi-line comments, multi-line comments. So here these single line comments are indicated by hash symbol, and these multi-line comments are enclosed in triple quotes. So here either we use triple single quotes or triple double quotes. Okay, now we see the first one is single line comments. So here single line comments are used for short explanations, short explanations or notes on single line. So for example, now I write a simple Python code here. For example, here I declare variable a and assign the value is 10, and declare another variable b and the value is 15. Now here I want to add these two integer variables. For that I write like this. So here this is a addition operator. Now I assign this result to variable c and print the sum is okay. So here I print a message along with the value of c. Okay, so here I wrote a simple Python code here. So here I want to show what this code does exactly do. So for simply I will write using this hash symbol, write a code to add two integers. Okay, so in this example, the comment write a code to add two integers. So this is a single line comment. Okay, this explains for which purpose I am writing this code. Okay, means here I declare two integer variables and assign their sum to variable c and I print a message along with value of c. So here overall what I did in this code that describes in short explanation or notes on single line. So this is called single line comment, and this comment is not executed when the programmer runs this code. Okay, so here the comments are purely for human readability. Okay, so next the second one is multi-line comments. So multi-line comments are used for longer explanations, longer explanations are notes that cover on multiple lines of text. Okay, so here multi-line comments are used for longer explanations or notes that cover multiple lines of text. Okay, so and they are enclosed in triple quotes. Okay, at the beginning and end. For example, previously what are the code I wrote in single line comments are copied to right here in this multi-line comments. So simply write like a is equal to 10 and b equal to 15 and c equal to a plus b and print the sum is okay. I write like this. So next, now I am writing my multi-line comments. So at the beginning we use triple quotes. Okay, now write the code to add two integers. For that, declare a variable a and b and assign their value to variable c and then print the value of c. Print the value of c. Okay, so close and at the end close by this triple quotes. So here we use the triple quotes, either triple single quotes or triple double quotes. So here, as compared to single line comments in multi line comments, here I am extending some lines for providing detailed explanation. Okay, and they are and I am using this triple quotes. So this is called multi line comments. However, uh, simpler programs like this much of longer description is not necessary. For your understanding purpose, I am writing this longer description for this simpler programs. Okay, but simpler programs like this longer description is not necessary. Okay, so here whatever the test I wrote between these triple quotes, they are not executed. Okay, for readability purpose, common readability purpose, here I am writing this multi-line test. Okay, so here multi-line comments are used for longer explanation or notes that cover on multiple lines of text. So this is called multi-line comments. Okay, so here we use either triple single quotes or triple double quotes. So not only test, if you are the code is in between, placed in between these triple quotes, that code is also not executed. Okay, for example in simpler terms, for example here now I am write three print statements here: print hello, print hi, and print good morning. So here I am writing three print statements. So among these three print statements, I want to execute the first two print statements. So here I can use what? Hash symbol. So whenever I try to execute this code, only these two print statements only executed and the third one is not executed because it is commented out using this hash symbol. Okay, so this is called single line comment. Okay, and next, in case if I want to execute only this print statement only, okay, so I can use triple quotes at the beginning and at the end. So now this first print statement only executed and these two print statements are not executed because they are placed in between this triple quotes. Okay, so this is called multi-line comments. Okay, so here the comments are purely for common readability. Okay, so what are the code placed in between triple quotes? They are considered as contingent comments and they are not executed. Okay, so this is our today's class. Next video I will meet with another new topic. Thank you.